I don't want to claim I can change your life, but I will show you how to start changing it yourself with just one small action. And it starts with this screen, your phone wallpaper. We check our phones over 100 times a day, but what if every time you looked, you were reminded of your future, of what you're calling in? That's where you can begin manifestation, not with a wish, but with intention. Change your lock screen to say this: I will start earning this much money every month by this date. For example, I will start earning $10,000 every month by December. That's it. Simple, powerful, and silently working every single time you unlock your phone. You're not just putting words on a screen. You're training your subconscious. This technique is called passive reprogramming. Your mind absorbs what it sees often, and when it believes something, it starts acting in alignment with it. This is how beliefs turn into behaviors, and behaviors attract outcomes. It's not just wishful thinking. It's neuroscience meets universal law. I've seen this work firsthand. One of my followers did this exact thing. She manifested a job offer, freelance projects, and unexpected bonuses, all within 6 weeks. Not magic, just energy and intention. People attract freelance clients, unexpected payments, new job offers, and even random blessings they never thought possible. They didn't hustle harder. They just aligned their energy. Try this for 30 days. Set this affirmation as your wallpaper. Look at it. Say it out loud. Feel it. Even if you don't fully believe it yet, just start. It costs nothing, takes 1 minute, and it could change everything. If you're ready to step into that version of yourself who receives, like this video and comment below, I will earn $10,000 by December. And if you want more simple, powerful manifestation tools, hit subscribe. Let's manifest the life you deserve. This is manifestation, meditation, and affirmation. One small shift, one powerful result. New energy starts now.